Howdy, Michael the Mercedes guy here. And how do you test a belt to see if it's good? Now look at this. This looks like a good belt, right? But if you could, the test is to bend it over like this and look at that. That's the test of a belt. It should be able to bend over backwards and not break. So this thing's getting ready to go. And of course I had to take it off in order to put on a new belt for the alternator and water pump. Since I'm doing a valve job and got the head off, I always insist, and you should too, a new water pump and a new belt. Because this is, few thousand in work, and for the success of it, it depends on this water pump and the belt. And taking a belt off the power steering pump on the 220s, the 250s, 280s, and saving the belt, you would think it's impossible. Look at this, right? But the trick is this. Of course, it's a lot easier with the radiator out, but you can do it with the radiator in. You gently get this belt. Well, first off, of course, you'll loosen this bolt. You run out the nuts on the adjuster, and you loosen this bolt back here, which is 9/16. Since this is a U.S. made pump, it's SAE threads, and then there's a bolt right under here that you have to loosen. Now there is a holder for the nut right here. It seldom works, so you'll have to actually jam a screwdriver down in there to hold the nut. But once you've loosened them and now have the pump loose, you jam it over as far as you can and start the belt off carefully. Then you stick the screwdriver in right here, and there you go. That's the way you do that trick. And you can, of course, do it from down below as well.